Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox jump button delay. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast, ideally with a ping below 50 milliseconds. Check your device's performance by closing unnecessary background applications. A slow connection or overloaded system often causes noticeable input lag. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox to run smoothly, preventing common delays. This initial check can resolve many common issues before diving deeper into settings. Next, optimize your in-game settings within Roblox. Reduce your graphics quality to a lower setting, perhaps level 3 or 4, to decrease the load on your system. Turn off special effects like shadows and reflections, which consume significant resources. Adjust your frame rate limit to 60 frames per second or lower if your device struggles. These adjustments can dramatically improve responsiveness and reduce any noticeable jump delay, making your gameplay much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's look at your device and software. Ensure your graphics drivers and operating system are fully updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can introduce performance bottlenecks. Close all other applications running in the background, especially those consuming high amounts of memory or CPU. Consider clearing your Roblox cache files, which can sometimes become corrupted. If problems persist, a clean reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary to eliminate any lingering software issues. Finally, for advanced troubleshooting, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and faster internet experience. Check Roblox's official status page to see if there are any ongoing server-side issues affecting gameplay globally. If the delay persists after trying all these steps, gather detailed information about your system and connection, then report the problem directly to Roblox support. They can offer more personalized assistance to resolve your specific issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.